What's up guys, and welcome to another video from KS TV. And friends, today we are going to talk about the WhatsApp business application which is being launched in some of the countries. In India it is still not launched, but it is going to be launched in all over the world very soon. So today keep watching this video till the end and you all will get to know how you can download this application, the features of this application and everything you should know about this application. Having been said that, let's get straight into it. So friends, right at the top we will start with this application's features. Here you can create your profile, you can have your image, whatever you want, you can include the description of your business and you can include your email address so that you can contact with the other users. Let me tell you friends, this WhatsApp business application is for medium and small entrepreneurs who are just starting off their business and want to have a more growth in their business. This can be a great platform for all of them to communicate with other peoples, and there are some many basic features with this application. Whenever we talk about the normal users who just use WhatsApp for texting or having fun chatting with their friends, then this WhatsApp business application is not for all of them. Talking about the availability, this application is for now available in Italy, Indonesia, Mexico, US and UK. And in India, it is going to be launched after some time and in the rest of the world. So now let us move on to how you can download this application. This application, as I mentioned, in the 5 countries, it is available on the Google Play Store. You can download through there, and in other countries it will be available after some time. Now friends, talking about this WhatsApp business application, it can be a great platform for all the users, and we will have to see that how business administrators have look on this application, how they are going to use it. Let me tell you friends, if you are a normal user and some business applicant is regularly messaging you and you don't want to receive such messages and he is regularly spamming you with the messages, so no need to take attention. As I earlier mentioned in my last video, that WhatsApp is going to get updates such as you have in your email, so you can just add this account to the spam folder. If they are sending you spam messages, you can report their account, so WhatsApp will have a look at them, and also you can block the users. So this is a very good news for all of us. If we are a normal user and we don't want to use the business application, this is also a great deal. So these were some of the basic information you need to know about WhatsApp business application. So if you like this video, please go and hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and let them know about this application. And let me know whether you all are going to use the WhatsApp business application for your business purposes in the comment section below. And also you can subscribe to our channel KS TV by clicking on the icon. We make such videos for all of you. And until then, keep watching KS TV.